Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. In 1922, a man named Albert Einstein stayed in a hotel in Tokyo. He was very famous and very smart. But that day, he had no money to tip the hotel delivery man. So he gave the man two notes on hotel paper. These notes were about happiness and success. The delivery man could not read them, but he kept them safe. Years later, the deliverman's nephew found these notes. He saw their value. He sold the notes for $1.3 million. This was a lot of money. One note said, "Where there's a will, there's a way." This means if you want something badly enough, you can find a way to get it. The other note said, "A calm and humble life brings more happiness than chasing success and living in constant stress." Many years later, a man named Gawdat learned the same thing. He was looking for his own way to be happy. On the outside, Mo had a perfect life. He was a top worker at Google. He lived in a big house. He had a loving wife and two beautiful children. He was very rich. Once, he bought a fancy car without caring about the cost. But even with all this, Mo was not happy. Mo thought happiness could be made like a computer program. He worked with his son, Ollie, to create a happiness formula. Then, a tragic event happened. Ollie had to go to the hospital for a small surgery. But during the surgery, there was a mistake. Ollie Gawdat got very sick. One by one, his body stopped working. Mo and his wife could only say goodbye to their 21-year-old son. Mo was angry. He blamed the doctors for what happened. He also blamed himself. But then, his wife said something important. She told him that blaming others would not bring Ollie back. Mo then heard Ollie's voice in his mind. It said, "Papa, I've already died. There's nothing you can change. So make the best of it." From that day on, when Mo felt sad, he asked himself, what would Ollie say in this situation? After Ollie's death, Mo remembered the happiness formula they had created together. Happiness, H, is greater than or equal to events of life, E, minus expectations, E. Mo realized that always wanting more did not make him happy. It was his high expectations that caused his pain. Now, Mo believes happiness is not something to chase. It is about enjoying the present moment and being thankful for what we have. Instead of always wanting more, we should appreciate what we already have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.